In a move to bolster protection against rapidly advancing aerial threats, the U.S. Department of Defense has signed a $264.6 million agreement with Dynetics Incorporated, headquartered in Huntsville, Alabama, to accelerate development of the Indirect Fire Protection Capability, IFPC, program. This initiative aims to enhance defenses against hostile drones, cruise missiles, and indirect rocket or mortar strikes that endanger American and Allied positions worldwide. The newly awarded contract, announced on July 30, 2025, blends fixed-price and cost-plus fixed-fee components and is financed through the U.S. Army's 2025 Research, Development, Test, and Evaluation budget. Initial funding of over $127 million has already been allocated, with Dynetics set to carry out the bulk of the work across facilities in Alabama, Pennsylvania, and Minnesota. The project is slated for completion by late July 2026 under the oversight of the Army Contracting Command at Redstone Arsenal. The IFPC program is central to the Army's layered air defense doctrine, filling the operational gap between short-range mobile defenses such as M-SHORAD and high-altitude, long-range systems like Patriot missile batteries. Unlike traditional point defense solutions, the IFPC is specifically engineered to counter indirect fire threats, rockets, artillery, mortars, RAM, as well as unmanned aerial systems, UAS, and low-flying cruise missiles that can overwhelm existing defenses through saturation attacks. Dynetics launcher architecture under the IFPC Increment 2 effort is built on a modular framework, allowing integration of multiple interceptor types, including Tamir missiles, familiar from Israel's Iron Dome, and modified AIM-9X variants. Tied directly into the Army's Integrated Battle Command System, IBCS, the platform can synchronize data from radar assets and command and control nodes, creating a real-time, network defense shield adaptable to varied combat scenarios. This award follows a larger indefinite delivery/indefinite quantity, IDIQ, contract worth up to $4.1 billion, established in late 2024, which laid the groundwork for low-rate and full-rate production of IFPC systems alongside long-term sustainment support. Earlier funding under that framework included a $204 million action, with nearly half immediately committed. By investing heavily in IFPC, the Army aims to deploy a scalable, mobile, and allied interoperable defense solution capable of countering complex aerial threats on modern battlefields. The program is expected to serve as a key layer of protection for forward-deployed troops, critical installations, and strategic assets, strengthening not only U.S. defensive posture but also collective security with partner nations facing similar challenges. The latest contract underscores Washington's determination to stay ahead of emerging aerial strike technologies by fielding adaptable, fast-reacting defense platforms designed for 21st-century warfare.